Hello friends, I am Dr. Pratishtha Nagne, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Karjat, welcoming in the lecture series under the affiliation of Savitribai Phule Pune University, new course 2019 CBSE pattern of FY Semester 1 Paper 1, that is BO 111. Plant Life and Utilization 1, Credit 1, Topic 2, Classification of Algae under the topic Algae Part 2. Algae are the plants which are having a green pigment. They are autotrophic in nature. Cell wall, it is made up of cellulosic in nature. Reserve food material, it is starch. And due to green pigment, they are photosynthetic, autotrophic in nature. They may be a unicellular or multicellular in nature. Their mode of nutrition, it is autotrophic in nature. Then they are also having a organization of cell, that is in cyanophyceae member, that is blue-green algae member. They are prokaryotic in nature, and the others, they are included under the organization of cell, that is eukaryotic in nature. So today we are going to dealing with the classification of algae. Outline of classification, it is given by Bold and Whitney, that is in 1978. In 1978, Harold C. Bold of Texas, USA, and the Michael J. Whitney of University of Michigan, USA, together working on classification of algae. They proposed their work into the book Introduction to Algae, Its Structure and Reproduction in 1978. Their classification, it is based on G.E. Papenfuss of Colorado State University of USA. He published his work in a book called as Phycology in 1955. The Bold and Whitney in 1978 classify algae having the highlights such as they divided algae into 9 different divisions. That is, it includes blue-green alga, that is Cyanochlorantha, and others are Phycophyta. And thus, the rest 8 divisions, they are pronouns or ends into the Phycophyta. Bold and Whitney, giving the classification of algae, they divide the algae into 9 different divisions in 1978, and the criteria for this classification, they are used as habitats. What do you mean by habitat? Habitat, it is the place where the algae grow, and it is called as habitat. They may be found into the aquatic habitat or terrestrial habitat. Aquatic habitat, it also includes the freshwater, salty water, as well as brackish water system, and also the terrestrial forms. Terrestrial forms, the algae which are growing particularly onto the land habitat, they are called as terrestrial plants or terrestrial forms. While the aquatic means what? That is, they are present in water. It may be a fresh water, saline water, or brackish water condition. So the habitat where the algae grow, that is particularly the habitat, whether they are comes from aquatic habitat or terrestrial habitat. From the aquatic habitat, whether these algae growing particularly into the fresh water, saline water, or brackish type of water. It gives a second criteria such as pigment. pigment. Along with chlorophyll A, B, carotene, xanthophylls, the other pigments are also present. Over to the pigment differentiation, the algae may be found, they may be a brown, green or red in color. So, the next, that is what type of reserve food material present in this type of algae, or it is also called as stored food material in this algae. Next criteria for classification used by Bold and Vinay is cell wall. Cell wall in alga, it is made up of cellulosic. It is lined in some algae. It is made up of mucilaginous too. Then next criteria, that is presence of flagella, or the number of flagellas present into the alga. So next, Bold and Vinay divided algae into 9 different divisions. First, that is called as Cyanochlorantata. All the blue-green alga or Cyanophyceae members, they are included in this first division called as Cyanochloranta. Second division, that is Chlorophycophyta. Chloro, as the name indicates, that is green colored algae, are included under the second division, that is called as Chlorophycophyta. Next, that is Charophycophyta, that is also called as stoneworts. They are attached to the substratum by using the rhizoids or the lower basal structure called as holdfast cell, and due to that they are attached to the substratum or the base of the water body, and the examples, that is Chara and Nightella. Next division, that is fourth one, called as Euglenophycophyta, in which euglenoids are included. Next, fifth division, it is called as Phaeophycophyta. Here, all the brown algae included in this division called as Phaeophycophyta. Next, division number 6, Chrysophycophyta. Chrysophycophyta, it includes all golden or yellow-green algae along with diatoms. Next, Pyrophycophyta. This includes dinoflagellates in them. Eighth division, it is Cryptophycophyta. Cryptomonas type of alga are included in this division named as Cryptophycophyta. Last, ninth division called as Rhodophycophyta. Rhodo, that is name indicates, it includes all red alga in them. So we go for the schematic representation of classification of algae given by Bold and Vinay in 1978. Outline of algal classification given by Bold and Vinay in 1978. It is having the 9 different divisions based on its characters such as criteria. First division is including all the cyanophycean member, or it is also called as blue-green alga in this division named as Cyanochloranta, in which it includes class Cyanophyceae and with 3 orders. So they include the pigments, that is, they include the pigments like chlorophyll A, C, phycocyanin, allophycocyanin, C-phycoerythrin, beta-carotene, and several xanthophyll pigments in them. They also having the reserved food material such as cyanophycean granules in alanine and aspartic acid and polyglucose are a glycogen-like stored food material. In Division 1, cyanochloranta, it includes the cell wall. It is the cell wall in this division containing, that is diaminopalmitic acid, glucose, amine and alanine. The flagellal bodies in this algae are completely absent. They are found in the habitat such as particularly aquatic as well as terrestrial. Under the aquatic, they may be found in freshwater, salty water as well as brackish water system. Then the examples of division cyanochloranta are nostoc, microcystis, Crococcus, oscillatoria, rivularia as well as anabina. Then go further for the second division called as second division, that is the division Chlorophycophyta, which includes all green algae in them. It having class Chlorophyceae containing near about 15 orders in them. They contain the pigments like chlorophyll A, B, carotene and xanthophylls. The reserved food material is present in this division Chlorophycophyta is starch and oil. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and xylans and mannans. The flagellal bodies are present with one to many flagellas in them. The habitat such as aquatic as well as terrestrial ecosystem they are found. In aquatic system, they may be found into the freshwater, marine water as well as the brackish water conditions. The examples of division Chlorophycophyta are Chlorella, Hydrodictyon, Volvox, Gygnema, Udogonium, Cladophora, Ulva, Caulerpa, etc. Third division, that is Charophycophyta. It is also called as stoneworts as they are attached to the substratum or the base of the water body. It may be a stone or it may be a substratum of other plants, and so they are having a characteristic feature with the help of holdfast, that is the basal cell. It is attached to the substratum. So the division Charophycophyta, it is also includes, that is stoneworts. The class is Chlorophyceae and it includes only single order Charils and containing the pigments such as chlorophyll A, B, carotene and xanthophyll pigments present in them. They containing the reserve food material such as starch. The cell wall, it is made up of cellulose. Next, that is flagellar bodies with flagellas are present. They are present into the aquatic habitat. It may be a freshwater and brackish water system. And the examples are Chara and Nightella. Fourth division given by Bold and Viney in algal classification is division Euglenophyta. It includes Euglenophycophyta, class Euglenophyta containing 3 orders. They containing pigments like chlorophyll A, B, carotene and xanthophyll pigments are present in them in abundance, while they containing the reserve food material that is para-amylum starch, cell wall, it is completely absent in them. Then the flagellar bodies with 7 flagellas are present in them. They are found particularly into the aquatic habitat and fresh and brackish water, and the examples are Euglena, Paranima and Phacus. So fifth division given by Gould and Viney is the division Phaeophycophyta, that is also called as brown alga. The brown alga in them class Phaeophyceae containing 13 orders. The pigments such as chlorophyll A, C, beta carotene and fucoxanthins along with xanthophylls are present. They are containing reserve food materials such as lamellarian starch and mannitol. The cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, alginic acid and mucopolysaccharides. They containing 2 unequal flagellas, and the habitat that is aquatic, rarely fresh, commonly found in brackish water system. And the examples are Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria and Fucus. Sixth division called as Chrysophycophyta, which also includes golden or yellow colored algae. In them, the class Chrysophyceae containing 7 different orders. They containing the pigments such as chlorophyll A, carotene, xanthophylls and along with them they containing fucoxanthin, which gives yellow or golden color to these alga. The reserve food material in the sixth division, that is Chrysophycophyta, containing the chrysolarian as well as the glucopyranosides and oil as a reserve food material in them. Then next, cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, silica, calcium carbonate, mucilaginous substance along with chitin is present in them. The flagellar body containing 1 or 2 flagellas, they are found in habitats such as aquatic as well as terrestrial. In aquatic, there may be a freshwater, salty water as well as brackish water system, and the examples such as Spinularia, Actinocyclus, Amphora, Nystria, Navicula, etc. The division, seventh division, known as Pyrophycophyta, includes diflagellates, class Pyrophyceae, having 6 orders. The chloroplast containing the pigments such as chlorophyll A, C, beta carotene and xanthophylls in them. They containing the reserve food material such as starch. In some, it contains the reserve food material as an oil. Then cell wall, it is made up of cellulosic and mucilaginous substance present in them. They containing 2 flagellas and the habitat particularly aquatic in nature. They may be a freshwater, marine water or a brackish water system. They are present and the examples are Dinophysis, Desmarestia. Eighth division is Cryptophycophyta. It includes Cryptomonas, having a class such as Cryptophyceae along with single order. The pigments in them are chlorophyll A, C, carotene, xanthophylls like alloxanthin as well as chloroxanthin and Phycobiliproteins. They containing reserved food materials such as starch. Cell wall is absent in them. They containing two flagellated structures. The habitat mainly aquatic. They may be a freshwater, brackish water or salty water system, and examples are Cryptomonas, Goniomonas, Rhodomonas and Chromonas. The last and ninth division is Rhodophycophyta. It includes Rhodo, that is red alga. They containing the class Rhodophyceae along with 4 orders. The Chloridophycocyanin, R and beta phycoerythrin, alpha and beta carotenes and xanthophylls as a main pigment. They containing rich sources of phycoerythrin. Due to that, Rhodophycophyta, they are including the red color alga in them. The reserved food material are glycogen and Floridian starch. The cell wall, it is made up of cellulose and xylons, galactans and some calcification. Flagellar bodies are absent in them. They produces the main aquatic habitat. They are present in freshwater, brackish water as well as saline water system. And the examples are from saline water, that is Polysiphonia, Glacilaria and Gelidium, while the freshwater alga under this division, that is Rhodophycophyta, is Batrachospermum. Here we conclude our lecture by giving the summary given by Bold and Vinay's classification of algae. That is, they divide algae into 9 different divisions. First division called as Cyanochloranta. They includes the pigments like allophycocyanin and phycoerythrin. They containing the reserve food material as cyanophycean starch. Then cell wall, it is made up of cellulose. Along with cellulose, they contain the glucose and alanine. Flagellas are completely absent. They produces in the habitats such as aquatic and terrestrial habitat, and examples are, that is nostoc, microcystis and Crococcus. Second division, it is called as Chlorophycophyta. It includes the pigments such as chlorophyll A, B, carotene and xanthophylls. The reserved food material is starch and oil. Cell wall, it is made up of cellulose and xylons. They containing flagellas 1 to many. They are present in habitats such as aquatic as well as terrestrial, and the examples are Chlorella, Volvox and Hydrodictyon. The third division, that is called as Chlorophycophyta, containing all the pigments such as chlorophyll A, B, carotene and xanthophylls in them. The reserve food material, it is starch. Cell wall, it is made up of cellulose, and the presence of flagellas are present in them. They may be present into the freshwater and brackish water. They are present only in aquatic ecosystem. Examples are Chara and Nigella. Next, fourth division, it is called as Euglenophycophyta, containing the chlorophyll A, B, carotene and xanthophylls, along with the reserve food materials such as para-amylum starch. Cell wall, it is completely absent. They containing flagellas such as number 7. Then they are present in aquatic habitats such as freshwater system and brackish water system, and the examples are Euglena, Paranema and Ficus. Fifth division called as Phaeophycophyta. It includes the pigment along with chlorophyll A, B, carotene, xanthophyll. They containing the fucoxanthin pigment in them. The starch, that is laminarian starch, as a reserve food material is present in them. The cell wall, it is made up of cellulose and containing 2 number of flagellas in them. They are present in the habitat. It may be aquatic as well as a terrestrial one, and the examples are Ectocarpus, Dictyota as well as the Laminaria. Then the sixth division called as Chrysophycophyta. They containing the pigments along with chlorophyll A, B, carotene, xanthophyll. They are rich in fucoxanthin pigment and they containing reserve chrysolarian starch. Along with cellulosic cell wall, they are rich in silica, calcium and chitin. They containing 1 to 2 flagellas in them. They may be present in the habitat such as aquatic as well as terrestrial habitat, and the examples are Pinularia and Actinocyclus. Next, seventh division called as Pyrophycophyta, that is, it containing along with other pigments, beta carotene is present in them. The reserve food material, it is starch and oil. Then the cell wall, it is cellulosic and mucilaginous. They containing the flagellas number 2 and they are present particularly into the aquatic habitat. Examples are Dinophysis and Desmarastia. Eighth division called as Cryptophycophyta, that is phycobilly proteins are present along with other pigments. Then it contains reserve food material as starch. Cell wall, it is absent in them. The flagella number are 2. They present into the aquatic, mainly freshwater, brackish water and saline water system, and examples are Cryptomonas and Goniomonas. Ninth division called as Rhodophycophyta. Along with other pigments, it contains the phycoerythrin pigment which gives red color to these alga. They produces the Floridian starch as a reserve food material. Along with the cell wall, that is cellulosic, it contains xylans and mannans. Flagellas are completely absent. They are present in aquatic habitat, that is freshwater, brackish water as well as the saline water system, and the examples are Glacilaria, Gelidium and Batrachosporum. Here we conclude our session, that is the bold and viney divided all algal members or the algae into the 9 different divisions and on their characteristic features such as their pigment present in them, reserve food material, cell wall type, then number of flagellas, habitat, etc. Here we will stop here. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, thank you very much.